me, Banner Commander 4. I'll teach you how to make a cool paper airplane. I haven't worked out the name yet, but also ignore the background noise. Sorry about that. So first, you're going to want to fold it in half, like this. Then after that, open it up and then fold the corners. Now this part, so then after this part is going to be like one of the classic paper airplanes. And then you're going to want to fold it like this, kind of like the classic dart. After that, you're going to want to fold this down. Fix it. And then after that, you're going to want to fold this here. There are two ways of making this. You can make it the fighter jet style or the classic style. So the fighter jet style, you're basically going to need to do one extra step, like this. And then fold it in half. And then after that, fold the wings, like this. Fold it all the way to the ground. I mean, to the bottom of the plane, like that. Do the same thing for the other side. And then you can aim, the shooter thing. I don't know what it's called. So then like that. So then this is how you aim. Look, just aim it up. You can aim it up, down. So that's how you do it. Goodbye.